World. You know who I am. It is the session. We back for another one. You already know. Super healthy off the K-pins. Last week we did a jewelry video. If you did not watch that, please stop, because you see the ice is still here, but you weren't here last week, so go check that out before you go any further. Today, not only did the universe bless me with a special guest, but we got some more drip. As you see, eye apparel. Go check them out. Today we are making vegan breakfast. I don't even like to eat shit in the morning, but I'm skinny. You know what I'm saying? Gotta gain some weight. A lot of you have been asking me about this, so without further ado, here we go. Okay, so as promised, I have another special guest.
Katie Ferretti with you guys.
Do you eat breakfast a lot?
Yeah, every day.
In your breakfast, do you eat eggs?
No, I don't eat eggs.
Today we're going to make vegan breakfast. I'm going to make some fake eggs with some tofu, bagels, tomatoes. I'm going to make some cereal. I don't even know. It's like pretty much oatmeal. Bougie oatmeal is what I'm going to make. So we have our delicious bagels, but some of you didn't know they were vegan. Can you tell us the nutrition facts behind those?
Yeah, it has protein 10 grams, calcium 8%, and iron 20%.
We have cinnamon raisin and everything. Which one would you like?
This one, everything.
You're smart. So I'm gonna let you cut these up.
Okay. And now we're gonna toast it.
For the next steps, I got some vegan cream cheese, so we can actually be involved in the world and eat bagels and cream cheese. We have some vegan sausages. Have you tried vegan sausage?
No.
If they're not good, please believe I'll let you know. And tofu, extra firm. To make it look like eggs, we're gonna use turmeric. I hope you're all out there ready to try these mini wieners, because I'm not. Smell like Slim Jims. This is called oil. Tablespoon in. Put your tofu in the pan. Literally, this takes absolutely zero skill. You just cut it up into mush. So comes my favorite part of the day. That's season time. We have our seasoner here. We're gonna add some turmeric. First step. That's cool. Salt. Remember, I say it all the time. If you know somebody that thinks salt is an option, just delete their number from your phone. Season everything. Boom. You can hit it with some pepper. That's perfect. Alright, so you'll see, these will start to look like fake scrambled eggs fairly quick. Get that to the side. Some more coconut oil. I don't know. We'll get a handful of them in there. Got them on low. This is not regular meat, so you can't cook this super high. It will burn, I'm trying to tell you. Alright. This is a regular sauce pot. We're gonna put maybe 2 cups of oat milk in here.
I have strawberries and blackberries, and now I'm gonna slice up some strawberries.
And now we have our oat milk, which is just coming to a boil. We're gonna add the bougie ass hot cereal directly to the pot. Cook it for about 3-4 minutes. Then we'll be ready. Got some cinnamon, some nutmeg. I'm sure every person in the whole world has one of these 2 things in their cabinet. They've been there for 10 years. Grab them out. So some cinnamon. To your liking, I added about a tablespoon. You can add just like literally 1 dash of that. Just 1 dash of it. Oh yeah, a little more. Okay, now we're gonna get the cream cheese on the bagels. This is my favorite part, where we get to make it look fancy. These are just to make your dish look really bougie. They're pea shoots. Lay those down here. Okay, and take it to the next level. We'll put some on the tomato one as well. So I got a quick trivia question for you, okay? Do you know what goes on raw tomato?
No.
Seasoning, salt and pepper. So now we have to salt and pepper these. Pinch of salt. And so overall, what do you think of how our vegan breakfast looks? Does it look appetizing?
It looks amazing.
You hear that?
I want to try it.
You want to try this? So if a guy made you this dish, would you consider giving him a second date?
Probably yes. Probably.
So now we taste. What are you going with first?
I want to try this fake scrambled eggs. It
Let's
looks
do it.
really good.
I'm gonna do this oatmeal. Let's try it out. Cheers. This is fucking good. How was that?
It's so good.
Does it taste like eggs at all?
Not really, honestly.
What does it remind you of?
More like a cheese, like cream cheese with pepper.
This is what I really need to try. This mini Slim Jim. I mean, this is a sad. Like, look how sad it looks. Like, look at this. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
It's not terrible.
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah. Good job, guys. Nice, cheers.
Cheers. It's amazing.
You could trick some people with this cream cheese. I guarantee you, if you give this to one of your friends and put it on their bagel, they wouldn't know. Looks good, tastes fresh. And I think that if you are in search of some easy vegan recipes for breakfast, they'll work out for you. Good protein, super simple to make. It's been another amazing episode. I'd like to thank my lovely guests. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Follow me on Instagram, especially Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, everything at The Session CA. Do you have any special links you want them to follow you at?
Follow me on Instagram for sure. That's
Right.
it. I have just Instagram.
Until next time, stay awesome, stay medicated, stay healthy.